Sammy is. Go ahead.
You ready? Oh! Go!
Should you do it one more time?
No!
Yeah, one more time. One more time for the princess. Go ahead. Right. Do it one more time, but then he's going to actually get hurt. So we're going to stop. Okay, one more time.
That's a great one. Yeah.
You're so crazy. No more. He's going to get hurt. Grandpa's old. What? And
Oh, she wants you to fall.
you want me to fall this time? Want me to fall? Want me to fall? You want Daddy to fall? Why doesn't